Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins, and welcome to the channel. Today we're doing a review of a £5 coin in the Tudor Beast series. This one is this Tudor Beast, the unicorn, Scottish unicorn, Seymore Unicorn. Sorry, that's Scottish unicorn, but the Seymore Unicorn. Excuse me. We have a picture here of the Seymore Unicorn as it's shown on the bridge over at Hampton Court, which is what all these Tudor Beasts are based on. First one we have is a introduction about the Seymore Unicorn. Now, with all of these pieces of information I'm going to give you on this thing, I want you please to, if you want to read it, please, you'll possibly need to enlarge and also to pause the video. That's the Seymore Unicorn, and that's the Hampton Court entrance, and there you got the beasts just there, or there's another one on the opposite side of the bridge. Here we have the Seymore Unicorn shown there at Hampton Court, and we have information from Reverend E. Dorling. Sorry. We then have the unicorn within the gate with a thing saying fact or fiction. There you go. Finally, you just get that in. We have some information about the designer. Of course, that designer is David Lawrence. We then have the breakdown of what each individual part of the Seymore Unicorn is about. You've got A, B, C, D and E, and you have a chart there of what each part of it is. We then have on the final inner part of the gatefold, we have royal beasts, and there's a brief description there about the royal beasts. Let me just bring that in for you. I'll leave that for a few seconds so you can pause it. And then on the reverse, on the very back part of the gatefold, we have something about the Seymore Unicorn there. Let me just bring it right. The Seymore Unicorn, and then we have the coin specification here. Okay, coin itself. On the obverse of the coin we have Charles III, and all the normal gumph for about £5 coins. But if you notice here, it's a date of 2024. You also have that repeated here at the bottom of the coin. So this is one of the coins, as the Mint does on a fair few occasions. They did it with the Chinese New Year coin, and they've done it with a couple of other coins as well. They've predated them as 2024. There is another, I believe there's at least one more coin, perhaps two, that'll be released in 2024. One will be dated 2024 and the other one will be dated 2025, or the next two will, if precedence is maintained. So what have we got on here? We've got the introduction at the top, the legend of Seymore Unicorn, and we have the unicorn itself holding a shield. It's holding onto the shield with its front legs, and then it's looking back and out towards the right hand side of the coin. It is a beast, obviously. The unicorns don't exist to my knowledge. I might well be wrong, but from what I understand they don't actually exist, or my limited understanding is that it's a mythical beast. I'd love to make one just to prove everybody wrong, but there you go. What do I think of the coin? These are the sort of coins that would look good as a coloured coin. So you could pick out the shield and all the, look at all the intricacies on that shield, all the colours and all the rest of it. Wouldn't that look great on that part of the coin? So you can make out the shield properly, and perhaps just have the unicorn as well. That would make such a fantastic coloured coin. I'm not sure why the mint hasn't done that. I think it would be a seller for them. This has come out in 3 different lots. In the basic Cooper nickel one, you've got this one, and you've got the blue card version that comes out from Change Checker Westminster Coins. I do have both. I can't find the Seymore Unicorn unless it's... Let me just have a quick check. I think I must have found it. Have I found it? Yeah, there we go. There's the Change Checker version of it. So, we have the Change Checker version of it, and we have the Bunk version of it. Both exactly the same coin. As I say, I'd like to see the Royal Mint do a version, a coloured version, which you can, or a coloured standard version, not a silver version that you could use, because I think with a lot of these Beast ones, they could have done far more with it being colour, having a coloured equivalent. So that's my overview of this coin. What do you think of the coin itself? I do actually enjoy these series. I enjoyed the Queen's Beast series, and I've enjoyed this series so far. Now there's going to be 10 Beasts done over a 4 or 5 year period, and my betting is we'll have an 11th of 10 coins with a completer coin, very similar to what we had with the Queen's Beasts, which if you're trying to get hold of that coin, it's virtually impossible. I've tried myself to get a second coin of that particular collector's completer's coin, and I've not been able to find one. Anyway, that's my review over and done with. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you enjoyed the video, could you please give me a thumbs up? It does help with the algorithms that put my videos in front of new people. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed and you believe I deserve it, please would you subscribe. I think I'm on around 243 subscribers. My initial thing this year was I wanted to get to 250. That was the target I set myself on January the 1st, 2023. That by New Year's Eve of 2023, I'd hit 250. I'm just 7 short. So if you believe I deserve it, good. I would love you to subscribe and stay with me for the next few years while I go through coins, banknotes, collectibles and militaria, that I tend to do on this channel. I do 4 to 5 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. For those of you who are having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. For those of you who've bought coins, I hope you've bought them at the price that you wanted to pay. And finally, thank you for staying to the end, and until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.